Financial expert Mr. Hariharan has joined us today. Sir, is it right to do debt allocation in liquid funds?
No, because liquid fund is good for short-term bulk. So if you want to keep it for 3 years, you can keep it. But the problem is you have better funds available. You can go to a short-term, which can give you better interest as compared to a liquid. Okay, so it's liquid is only for short-term, few months of money, 2-3 months of money is what we suggest liquid.
Thanks for your detailed explanation. Are you in search of a personal guide who can remove the stress of handling your finances? Then please feel free to avail our expert consultation. And also you can attend our webinars to gain investment related insights. Both the consultation and webinar are absolutely free and you can find the link in the below description. Please like and share and do subscribe to Holistic Investment.